Good morning, guys. Welcome back to today's video. Today I have a really fun video. It's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial that's, I don't know that I've done one under $5 or under $10, but I definitely have done one under $10. That for sure, which I'll link over here if you guys want to check it out. It might be a little bit older, but I think I did it. I've seen a couple people do this, especially right now with quarantine and stuff. A lot of us are, we're not making those extra splurges. Well, Amazon would say otherwise, but the reason I wanted to do this tutorial was actually revolving around this. If you guys watch my collective haul, you guys then probably know that I did pick up the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation, and I wanted to test it out and see what it was like and see what the hype around this brand was. So I figured that this would be like a really good video to do. If you guys want to see what we're going to be trying to accomplish, I'll post it right here. But yeah, I'm sure by the thumbnail you guys saw a bunch of the products that might be in this video. So we're going to go ahead and get diving into it. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Steph, and I hope you guys have your coffee, your wine. I'm not judging. Coffee with liquor, whatever it is that you have, let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to start off with is the Essence. This is the Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. I do find that it does help prolong my makeup a little bit. Definitely is a good product to try, and I do like it. I am going to be priming the skin today. I'm going to be using the Essence Prime Studio Mattifying and Pore Minimizer. Now the color is tinted to be a charcoal gray because I do believe it has a black clay in it. So this is just definitely one that you do have to blend in quite a bit. So I'm just going to pat that into the skin. Trying to really focus this more on my cheek areas because I feel like I get really oily, especially right now. We're going to let that sit for a few seconds, and we're going to be talking about this little baby. So this here is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation. This is a medium to full coverage. I went in with the shade Buff. I like the packaging. I feel like it looks really sleek and expensive. So I'm going to be using a sponge today to apply it. What kind of is it skin finish? What's skin finish supposed to mean? Like a satin finish? So it's not like matte, but it's not dewy, I think is what it is. Definitely evened out my skin. You can still see a little bit of stuff peeking through, but I mean, it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything, honestly. All right, so there is one layer. Definitely evened everything out. You can still see a little bit of the more prominent pigmentation peeking through, but I don't even feel like I'm wearing foundation at all. So use a brush really quick. And I'm really just gonna focus this on the spots that I need a little bit more. Oh wow. A brush really packs it on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let's focus on the brows really quickly, and we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. So finding a brow product was actually kind of difficult because I just couldn't find something that I loved enough that was under the $5 mark that would, be good for this video. But I did have this, and I do remember this being actually really pigmented and tinted. So I'm going to attempt to use it as a brow pomade, and this is the In Studio Cosmetics Brow Gel. I have a couple of their products from this brand in this video, but I did do like a full-on review of this brand. So if you guys want to check that out after, all their makeup is like under $2, and there are some hidden gems in there, so definitely check it out. I do remember the last time I used this, it was super freaking pigmented. Look at how pigmented this is. You guys, I'm so proud of my brows. Look at that. Look at my brows, you guys. They're growing. So there you have one brow. Very impressive. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow really quickly off camera, and then we'll be right. So we got the brows on, but it's a little glossy. I'm going to be taking the LA Pro Girl Conceal High Definition Concealer. This is in Porcelain. Do you guys remember when this concealer came out? Like everybody was going crazy. I wanted to use the e.l.f. concealer, but I think that one's like $6, and I was like, why? Why? So far this foundation is sitting well. Like, I've been looking at it. The only part it's gotten a little creasy already is right here on the forehead. So I'm just going back in and setting everything, pushing everything in. For underneath the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and set everything using the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. And I'm just going to pat it on. This powder I have to be super careful with. Do not use a sponge, or at least I don't like to use a sponge with it, because I do find that it can get really yellow really quickly, and you really only need a light dusting. I'm also going to take it right here in the center of the forehead because it does have some brightening properties to it. To set the rest of the face, we're going to be going in with the Essence Mattifying Compact Powder. I have the shade Light Beige. It's supposed to be extremely smooth powder for a matte and flawless finish. And I'm just going to take it on a flat brush and just kind of pat it on. If you don't need any more coverage, then I think this powder will work really well for you. A lot of these products are like from Essence. I'm like noticing a trend with Essence really quickly. I'm going to be going in with the Essence Matte Bronzer Powder. This is for lighter skin. It smells really nicely. It smells like summer. Even though it looks like super warm in the pan, it's definitely not like that. Like, it's really buildable and it gives you just a little bit of coverage, but you can build it up. So you can see it's definitely more of a warmer bronzer. I did do an Essence like one brand tutorial a while ago too, and I was actually really impressed with the way that eye look came out, or like not even just the eye look, but like the entire face look. It came out so nice. Like, I was shocked by how much I loved that makeup look. Okay, so today's makeup look is not going to have a blush because I did a blush declutter a while ago and I decluttered like a bunch of my blushes. I haven't been to the store to pick one up, and I thought I was going to use this one by Sleek Makeup, but I believe it's like $6 and they don't even sell it anymore. They only sell them in like trios now. No blush today. So I'm just going to take this bronzer and kind of just dust it everywhere on my face to kind of make it like a blush bronzer duo, since I don't know what else to do. I'm going to go back in with the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Settings Mist. For highlight, I'm not going to take it above my high points of my cheeks just because I have this little guy and he's already prominent enough and I don't need to bring any more attention. And also lately, I feel like I've been doing highlighting, but I haven't really highlighted my cheeks all that much, like more just the center of my face. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go in and use the AOA Studio Velour Highlighter. This is in the shade For You, and I'm also going to be using it on this AOA Studio brush. This is the F19. You guys freaking love this brush. And I'm just going to highlight the center of my nose. Yeah, I feel like my finger might be better. The bridge of my nose. And then I'm also going to take it for the inner corners as well. Ugh, I have a feeling today it's going to be another sticky day here in the Midwest. So I have a couple different items to choose from for palettes today. I picked out some of my favorites. I have this Wet n Wild color quad right here. It's a purple palette. It's the purple one. I have some of these little in studio eyeshadows, which I definitely wanted to hold on to. And then I have these. These hit the $5 mark. These are the new e.l.f. like liquid shadows that I kind of wanted to try out. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to do like a quad look using this palette and maybe use the silver like on top of the lid. All right, so let's go ahead and we're gonna take the transition shade, which is this light purple, and I'm gonna dust that all over my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a smaller brush and I'm gonna take this deepest purple and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner, and I'm going to be using a Coastal Scents number 10 brush. This is a brush that I picked up in a set, but it is an angled brush, so you could use any angled brush, and you're just going to pack it on the outer corner. It's getting a little patchy on me, but that's okay. All right, so I'm also going to take that same crease shade and run it on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to go back in with the transition shade and I'm going to buff it out. I do want to take a little bit of the Carbon from In Studio eyeshadow, and I want to take it and press that up against the lash line just to really enhance it. This is the e.l.f. Bling Bling, but there it is. I'm wondering if I should use this as a lid shade or a topper. All right, now I'm gonna pop on a second layer. You definitely have to wait in between with these. I hope I don't get no fallout though. I might take a little bit of this eyelid shade from this quad and pop it on using my finger and just kind of pop it on top. Oh yeah, I like that so much more. Yeah, there we go. Just to give it a little bit more dimension, because I don't like how it looks. I kind of like how the sparkles are peeking through though. Mascara, I'm going to be going in with these. These are the Mega Lash and Wowie Lash Volume by LA Girl. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. Now, I definitely would say that there are way better options under $5 aside from these two, but this is what I have. And I would say if you could get a mascara, probably try out like one of the Essence mascaras. But we're gonna use these. These aren't bad, but they're not the best, but I can make it work. See, it definitely has it. Like, it just takes a little bit of time to work the product in. Okay, so 5 years later, we're done with mascara. I got a little bit of patchiness right there from the mascara, but I'm gonna wait till it dries and then I'll dust it off. But in the meantime, let's focus on the lips really quickly. We are almost done. For my lip liner, I'm gonna go in with like one of my favorite products ever. I have so many of these. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Mauve. Freaking love this lip liner. I think I have like 3 already. I think I have 3 of these, you guys. And then we're just going to finish it off with this lipstick. This is the e.l.f. Seriously Satin lipstick in the shade Creme. And I'm going to pop that right in the center and then blend it out with my finger. So now that my lashes are dry, I'm going to curl them a little bit more because I find that this mascara weighs it down really heavily. So this is just one mascara. I do feel like I have to like push them up after. It does a good job at like lengthening. I did only use that mascara. I didn't end up going in with the other one. I just ended up using that one mascara because I feel like that one works the best. All right, you guys, so we are completely finished. Here is the makeup look I did. I'm actually really impressed with it, except for the eyeshadow palette. I don't know why it's super patchy. I don't get what's going on there, but you know what? We're just gonna truck along with it. Thank heavens I've got mascara, and hopefully that'll cover enough. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you guys have like a product that's under $5, let me know down below that you guys, something you love that's under $5, let me know down below. I think it'd be really fun to do another one of these videos, but using a different set of products. What are your thoughts? I'm thinking yes. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit that notification bell if you guys get the opportunity to. If you want to, I'd really appreciate it. And also give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps me out and helps out my channel a lot. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys all for watching today's video. If you guys haven't checked out any of my newest videos, they are right here. So make sure to check them out, and I will see you guys later. Bye.